Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Dinosaurs game. Not like this, it is a friendly one. Dinosaurs isn't pet, but we always inspired with him because of his huge sharpened teeth with nasty laugh. Do you remember Jurassic Park movie? Yes, we could see a large dinosaurs in the movie. Today I am going to review Dinosaurs track toys. This game is suitable to 1.5 to 10 years age kiddos. Let's start the game with me. Before I will guide you how to set this game. First, join with me. Before, every kid liked dinosaurs because of his big shape, and it is always bad guy, but you know we have good dinosaurs too. Yes, do you remember the movie called The Good Dinosaurs? He missed his dad and family very much, and he met stranger, then both helped each other to find their families. Finally they made it. If you're a dinosaur fan or if you want to play with him, that's very nice. We can make it in our home with help of you or your dad or mama. Let me introduce the toy called Dinosaur Track Toys. It is a toy which is having 260 pieces in the box to set for play. It is really awesome, and I tried to. Let me join with my hands to join this 260 pieces ground Jurassic Park. If you miss amusement park, don't worry, we will set that one in our home with the help of this toy. Blah blah blah.
Look at all the different tracks you can use. It comes with a car and all this cool stuff.
And look, you can even roll it.
Whoa. Here's all the pieces.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you wanna try to buy this, we have an option. You may check in Amazon, eBay and you buy. Please subscribe my channel to know another toy review. Have a good day. Bye.